Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. My name is Oma in case you are tuning in for the first time. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I retouched my hair from being matted and unable to comb to being able to be combed like this. So if it is something that you are really interested, please keep on watching. So this tutorial will be divided into four sections. The first section is sectioning the hair into four equal parts. Before retouch or relax my hair, I like sectioning it into four equal parts so that it will be very easy for me to apply the relaxer. So after sectioning it into four equal parts, I will now go ahead to apply the relaxer on the hair. Then the second section is applying the relaxer on my hair. Then after applying the relaxer on my hair, the third section will be washing off and setting the hair before I finally put it in a rollers because I want to roll the hair. I want to put a design on the hair. So after everything, that is all. I'm just done with the hair. So watch the video, you understand more. So for this tutorial, I'll be using olive oil relaxer and the regular type, okay, because that regular type is the only one that is very cool with my hair type. Then I'll be using the sachet one. Then in that sachet we have the base, which is the main relaxer and the activator. So first of all, I will bring a bowl and I will put the two relaxer into the bowl and I will mix it properly, mixing the base and the activator. Make sure that you mix it properly before applying, okay? Use whatever you can use to mix it. Then after everything, I will now go ahead to put my hand glove to protect my hand and my nails from any form of damages. Okay, so after putting on my gloves, that is when I will now start to apply the relaxer on my hair, starting from the first from the back because I like applying the relaxer from the back. I don't like applying from the front because by if I start from the front, by the time I'll reach the back, it will start paining me. So I prefer applying the relaxer from the back and walking through it immediately. I don't keep it. I will just apply the relaxer, comb it, and then use my hand to massage it very well. Okay, so that is how I apply the relaxer on each and every section of the hair. Earlier on, I told you guys that I section the hair into four equal parts. So that is how I'll work on the whole hair until I finish it. Then I'll comb it all together into one section. Just watch the video, you will understand better. Yeah, so after applying the relaxer on my hair and then sectioning the hair and putting everything in one section, I'll now go ahead to wash it off. But I have to carry it for like 30 minutes. Before washing it off, I'll use my shampoo and my conditioner to wash it off. Okay, I don't used to carry it more than 30 minutes to avoid the relaxer burning my hair. So I will just carry it for like 30 minutes. And why when you want to retouch your hair, make sure that your hair is dirty, okay? Because if your hair is very neat or clean and you retouch it, the relaxer will burn your hair. So make sure that your hair is dirty before applying the relaxer on your hair. Then after everything, I will now use my setting spray to put the hair in a rollers in a rolled form. Okay, this is the rollers that I'll be using for this tutorial, and it is very easy to use. So watch the video, you will see how I put my hair in a rollers. Yeah, I'm done with rolling the hair, and this is the final look of the hair. So your own must not be that like this. You can put it in any design or any style you want your own to be. My own, I just want everything to go backwards. Okay, that is why it's looking like this. So after rolling the hair, I wanted to allow the hair to dry naturally, but when I was making the video, they just gave us light. You know Nigeria now. So I just decided to use my hand dryer to dry the hair. So after drying out the hair, I decided to remove the rollers and then section the hair, as in to comb the hair into my desired shape, okay, my desired style. So that is all for the hairstyle. That is all for rolling. That is all for retouching your hair and the rolling and whatsoever. So you don't have any other excuse to give that you don't know how to retouch your hair, or you don't know how to roll your hair. Everything is very very easy. It's not hard at all. So when I was combing the hair, I just realized that some parts is not too dry, but it's still okay anyway. It's still fine. It's still fine. All I know is that I've retouched and I've rolled the hair into my desired style, and that is all. So let me know in the comment section if you will be trying it out. You must not go to a stylist to retouch your hair. You can do it by yourself. Just do it. Just watch the video. Everything will be all done. Okay? So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying it out. And thank you guys for your maximum support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. I really appreciate. So see you guys in my next one. For now, bye.